So I was frustrated at university because I wasn't able to get access to the machining tools in the workshop. So we make the drawing, we give the drawing to the technician, and then the part arrives back. And I always felt a little bit sort of disconnected from how that happened. And in that frustration, I ended up buying a CNC router from a guy in Ireland at the time who had just come back from a very successful year in automotive manufacturing, had packed it in and wanted to start a new career. And I bought this machine and I thought it was going to make whatever I wanted, and for a number of reasons it didn't. I ended up rebuilding it, sold it to a guy in Ireland, and that was the start of what is now Stony CNC. So I started to help John at the time work with these machines, supply these machines into the Irish market. Then we negotiated a new relationship with another German company, and we went into the UK market. And then we established a number of German contracts supplying machines into the UK and Irish markets. And then we've started to pivot into machine building and machine supply. And now here we are working with the 5.0 robotics team, supplying the executive series into Europe. So that's the kind of the whistle-stop tour as to how I got from spotty student to co-founder of Stony CNC, or founder of Stony CNC.